Look around there, around the woods. Yeah. Yeah.
Hey, hey, Tita. To the camera.
Hello.
Vlog. I thought that was a bird. He looks so handsome. So,
I look alright. I look alright.
Hi, Butler.
say that to YouTube.
Oh, you see?
We can eat for the rest of the year. Can you eat? Sure.
I think so, but it has maybe.
Oh, yeah, probably not. Can we eat shark?
You can, but it's not really. It's tough.
No,
It's like leather.
like steak. Like overcooked steak.
Probably.
We're gonna go fish. Well, I got my pole too. I'm gonna go fish now. We are at Bosa Chica. Just joking. Bosa Chica by Newport Beach. Y'all, this ain't no regular sand. Oh, this ain't no regular sand till you get down there. Oh, hold this. Tita, you can fish with this.
I can walk a shark with this. Get away from my mouth.
Baby, smile. Smile.
Hey.
Wait, smile. What you spelling? What's that? Go wash it. What's that say? Huh? What's that say? Catch me outside? Your sister? Your niece? Your niece wrote catch me outside in the sand. Tita wrote catch me outside. Catch me outside. How about that? How about that? How about that? How about that? Catch me outside. Catch me outside. Catch me outside. Catch me outside. How about that? How about that? How about it? Hey, how about it? How about it? How about that? Catch me outside. Woo! Oh no. Babe, you caught something? Let's show them what you caught, babe. Let's show them what you caught. What is that? Oh, let's see.
Look, the sun was just out.
Oh shit. Mess my picture up, Wave.
Oh, what's going on? Hey.
See, when Trump in office, and you got me worried because the military planes are out. Like to see me like you're me.
What's the test? 6697 0288 51.
That's why I'm gonna give this a bubble.
Sorry. Got me. You got Tita.
Who did that over there?
Serena.
Smoke. That's smoke.
What they doing? What they doing?
That's so crazy.
Oh, you want to get in on it?
I'm good. That's all?
That's it. Hey guys, so it's like 2 days later and me and David are in the DMV to get his car registered, And it is hella busy out here. Like there's people like standing up. I don't know if y'all can see. There's people standing up. So our number is B108 and they're only on B54. So hopefully it goes by fast. Here he goes.
Hey.
We got our food. Well, this is our second plate. We got sushi, more sushi, and oysters. At the pool. Hey ducky. Hi ducky, ducky, ducky. They're like, it is too damn hot. This heat is overrated. Baby gonna jump in first. It cold?
Not really.
No.
Real quick.
For y'all, YouTube too.
But I got your hand.
You're like, I got it!
I thought I got it.
You'll drag me underneath the water. I got you, man.
Having a picnic.
Having a picnic. Getting our stuff ready.
Climb on board. We'll go slow and high tempo, light and dark. Hold me hard and mellow. I'm seeing pain, seeing pleasure. Body but me, body but us, bodies together. I love to hold you close tonight and always. I love to wake up next to you. So we'll be something neighbor.
He's taking a nap. Back there. I didn't want to wake him up. So I'm gonna go over here and swing on the swings. Gonna swing on the swings. Sorry guys, I don't know if y'all heard me. Whew. Whew. Such a pretty day. Let me show y'all. He probably texted me. He was looking for me. I saw him. There you go peeking. I see you. You sleeping?
I fell asleep.
Uh-huh.
Sorry.
Okay. Ouch. Are you sleepy yet? Why are you growling?